Curious about this ADIMO Home Safe Box? It's a 1.2 cubic foot security safe box. Included within the kit is a fireproof and waterproof money bag. It has a digital keypad along with a dual key system. Hey, speaking of that, why don't you let me show you how to set it up and use it the first time? So I shared you the basics. Let me quickly show you how to set this up so it's great for your life. Number one, if you want feet on it, they're just stickers, they go right on the bottom. Number two, if you want to connect it to a wall, it comes with the hardware, 2 bolts, that's it. You're all good that way. And so let me show you how to get in the first time. It seems like you would open it up, put in the main key, turn the key and get in, but it doesn't work. The alarm goes off, as a matter of fact, if you do that. What you need to do, coast is clear. Thank you. Puppy's protecting us. You put the main key in, you hit this cool little secret trap door here, and you put in the secondary key. So the secondary key, you turn it half a turn, that releases the mechanism so you can open it with the main key. We are now in. So now let's say you want to set your code. Let's take this out. First you're going to put in 4 good quality AA batteries. There's a button right here next to the batteries. You hit that. Beeps. We're going to reset the code. Let's pull something technical. It could be 6 to 8 characters. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones in a row. Hit the asterisk. It tells you positively it set it. Set it. So now when you go to close the door and turn the key, we are now locked. Okay, so it is locked. You can close that. Everything in here is nice and safe. Now, in real life, when you want to use it, it's like a 2-step authentication, right? If somebody has the key, that is not enough. If they take your key and they put the main key in and they turn it, it still doesn't work. So that's where the code comes in. We put in our secret code that we just put in, hit the pound, and it releases it, so now we can open it. And that is it. Super simple, straightforward, really cool, really effective. I like it. Hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.